Dog 101, How to take better care of your dog. Perfection is in the eye of the beholder. Whether or not you've made mistakes with your dog doesn't matter as long as you have always provided them with love. That said, read on to find out more about tips and tricks regarding your dog and how to avoid some mistakes others have made. Look into subsidized health care for your dog if money is tight. Many local communities, in cooperation with groups like the SPCA, offer discounted services that have proven invaluable to dog owners. Look into getting your dog spayed or neutered and vaccinated for a fraction of veterinary costs at a sponsored event probably close by to you. Just contact the SPCA or an animal shelter in your town. When you are trying to teach your dog new tricks, you should always be patient. Different dogs will learn things differently. If your dog isn't picking up a new trick right away, give him time. You could also try changing your teaching method. Your dog may respond better to a different approach. Never lose your temper or punish your dog if you find that they did something wrong. Negative reinforcement will simply make your dog scared, which will make it difficult for you to train them. Use positive reinforcement at all times to get your dog to cooperate when teaching him new things. If your young dog is teething and gnawing at everything, buy him a fun chew toy and keep it in the fridge. Not only does this provide him with a good alternative to your furniture, but the cold will help to make his gums feel better. Most younger dogs gnaw out of necessity, not poor manners. If your dog behaves badly, correct the behavior immediately. Ignoring it for any length of time will only make it that much more difficult to contain later, and you never know what could happen as a result of it now. If you don't get his behavior under control, your dog could end up biting someone. When you are trimming your dog's nails, keep a close eye on the tips of the nails. Once you see a pale oval on the tip, stop clipping. This is a sign that you are close to the vein. If you go too far, apply a little bit of styptic powder to it to help stop the bleeding. When training your dog, consistency is everything. You must be consistent at all times. If your dog is not allowed to jump on people as they walk in, don't allow your dog to do it even if a person says they don't mind being jumped on. You should also make sure that everyone that's around your dog understands your rules and are consistent with them. Perfect advice is impossible to find. That said, what you have watched here is a great start to your dog education. While your dog and your situation differ from those of the authors, the general knowledge you have gained is priceless. Make use of what you have learned today to make for a better tomorrow. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.